the end. Alright, we are taking off for our first ride on GearSpin. This is a brand new ride at Carowinds' new area called Aeronatica Landing. We've never been on one of these before, so we're a little bit apprehensive about what we're getting ourselves into, but we're also super excited for the ride. So
I think this is the second train dispatch of the day.
It's taken off nice and smoothly. Great like view from up here. Whoa, going backwards. Whoa, okay. It's quite forceful. You actually think you're going to collide with the other arms that crash in front of you, but of course you don't. You go straight faster. It's quite a nice feeling. Tiny little bit of time at the top, but it's not too intense. I think it's. I think we take a pause now at the top, ready for people to load on to the bottom.
Well, hello, people. Oh, nope, we're going down. No.
We're taking a pause, I think. Maybe. Oh. How have you liking it so far?
It was kind of smooth.
Yeah. I think this is probably not the craziest of the rides. The air race looks a lot more intense. So if you're not sure about the crazy flat rides, this is probably a really good starting point. And maybe work up to the air race.
I don't know if working up is the right word for that. Don't eat a lot of delicious southern food before that.
Yeah.
I'm sending him on that one.
I don't know. Let's see if I can brave it.
We are sitting up here. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little cars on top, and I'm guessing 4 on the bottom. And there's 4 seats, so there's two this way, 2 behind us on each one. So 4 times 4, 16 times 2, 32. So 32 people doing some math this morning can ride this.
And it's almost like you get 2 rides, because you ride once and then you wait at the top, they fill the bottom, and then obviously you'll ride again and jump off after that.
Yeah. It's a long POV, guys.
Yeah.
I will say it's hot and sunny in Carolinas. It's going to be a little hot up here. Kind of reminds me of the monster at Kings Island when he gets stuck at the top.
Oh yeah.
But we're about to go.
We're going again.
Hold on to my little flip-flops.
Yeah, don't want to lose those.
And you get a good view of Copperhead.
Yeah, great view across there.
Yeah. Probably hear all the water park.
Here we go again. Okay, we're slowly rising back up. Ready for the next cycle.
It's like a very scenic. It's almost like a sky ride up here. Not as high, but you know.
It starts off like a nice.
And here we go.
Now this time we're going forward. So I'm interested to compare what it definitely feels more forceful going forward. I don't know if that's just a direction change or if it's running a bit faster this time around. But whoa! Yeah. It's quite good that it offers a couple of different ride experiences there. It gave us a little surprise for the second part of the ride. You obviously enjoyed it.
The second part more than the first.
Yeah, I agree with that.
So,
Are we going back again?
I don't know.
No, I think we're getting ready to land.
Clear for landing.
We completed our flight training.
station.
Yeah. So definitely a really fun ride. Super enjoyed it and a really cool addition to this brand new area at Carowinds.